How many school members do you have? Well, the answer to this question isn't just about the number of people in your group, but also about understanding how Skool stacks up against other platforms and how you can use it to get the most value. Stick around to the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer for the software, plus some strong alternatives that might actually serve you better depending on your needs. Skool is unique in how it focuses on community driven learning and content delivery. It's designed to streamline your course creation, community interaction, and coaching into one platform. While it's a great tool for creators, coaches, and course instructors, how does it actually fare when it comes to scaling up and managing your members effectively? First thing, Skool is pretty simple when it comes to managing your members. You have the ability to easily add users, and their membership interface is intuitive. It's great if you're just starting out or have a relatively small group, but as your member count grows, you might find it harder to manage everything in one place. While it does come with community forums and built-in messaging, the member management features could use some more advanced options for tracking, segmenting, and engaging your community based on specific actions or preferences. Next thing, scalability. Skool is built for smaller to mid-sized communities, but the higher your member count grows, the more you'll start to feel some limitations. There are no native tools for advanced analytics or detailed reporting, so as you scale up, you might feel like you're flying blind. For larger communities, more detailed insights on member engagement and performance would be key to growing effectively, and Skool doesn't quite provide that. The third thing is the platform's pricing model. Skool keeps things relatively affordable for entry-level creators, but once your membership base grows, you might find it a bit tricky to justify the price for the value it offers in terms of features. The pricing is more suitable for people just starting out or with a few hundred members, but if you're managing thousands, other platforms might offer more flexibility at a better value. Next thing, Skool has a solid community-based feature set, and it's one of the best for facilitating interaction between members. They really focus on creating a user-friendly experience where people can interact, chat, and post content without being overwhelmed by features they don't need. But if you're managing a larger group or looking to create more personalized experiences for each member, you might find the interaction tools a bit basic, especially when compared to more robust community platforms out there. The fourth thing is integrations. While Skool allows for some integrations with tools like Zapier, it's a bit limited when compared to other platforms. If you're running a larger business or trying to automate workflows with CRMs, email marketing tools, and payment systems, you might find the integration capabilities a bit restricting, especially when scaling. So, where does that leave you? Well, Skool is a solid choice if you're just starting and want a simple way to manage your community. But if you're looking to scale fast and need more advanced member management, customization, and reporting, there are definitely better alternatives to consider. Now, for those of you serious about taking things to the next level, I've got a recommendation that outshines Skool in terms of flexibility, scalability, and advanced features. It comes with better tools for managing your members, customizing your courses, and automating processes, all while providing a fantastic user experience for both you and your community. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of this software. But I've also included some amazing alternatives that might serve your goals even better, all with free trials so you can test them out without commitment. Check it out through the link to make sure you get the best deal available. It's exclusively for our viewers.